Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your desktop background easily step by step on your PC, your Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever your system is. First of all, go to the background you want to set, go to download any background you want, any picture you want to set as a background to your PC. For example, I have this backgrounds and I will set up this one. For example, I download this picture and I want to set it as a desktop background or a wallpaper. Just right click on the picture and choose this one, set as desktop background. Click on it and we go to desktop. As you can see, it's changed for the desktop background. And that's it guys. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.